Kevin Eckert. Kevin Eckert is President, Managing Director, and Chief Consulting Arborist for Arbor Global US and Arbor Global Hong Kong Limited. He began his career as a research technician and project manager for utility vegetation management projects, and developed a focus on the technical aspects of tree management. Kevin, of Kailua, Hawaii, is making a difference through his current work with Arbor Global US by educating both arboricultural professionals and clients about best tree care standards and practices and improving the quality of arboriculture in Hawaii. Kevin is also making a difference in the development of modern arboriculture in Hong Kong, working with China Light and Power Company to develop a utility tree management program, and working with other government departments and contractors to advance professional arboriculture. He has used the ISA Certified Arborist and Certified Tree Worker programs to promote certification, resulting in significant growth in the number of ISA credential holders in Hong Kong, while enhancing the quality of tree work and the awareness of arboriculture.